Today Chris has some questions on the Rogers Rocket Stick, manufactured by Nokia.
Okay, so the first question that I have is that I noticed that you have a SIM card there on your computer. What's that all about?
So the SIM card is what operates the Rocket Stick.
Okay.
Just pop the cap off here and slide it into the back. The SIM card is activated by your Rogers store before you leave. Once it slides in, it's ready to be used into the computer. Just plug it into the USB port.
Okay, so I take it the Rocket Stick works on a netbook, a laptop, a regular PC desktop?
Yes.
Whole thing, as long as you've got a USB port, obviously.
Yep, you just need a USB connection.
Okay.
When you first plug it in, a first-time user would go through the setup instructions. I've already bypassed that. It's already installed on my computer. But when it first comes up, you just click on the setup screen and it will install the drivers. You just follow the messages along the screen and it will ask you to restart your computer.
But it does not require, I don't need to do any configuration, programming, like I'm not an IT expert, nothing.
Nope.
Like that, okay.
If I remember correctly, when you plug it in, there's maybe like 3 or 4 buttons to hit, like next, continue, finish.
Yep.
It will say restart your computer now. You click on OK. It will do that. Once your computer restarts, you'll notice a Nokia Internet Modem icon that appears on your desktop.
Shortcut, okay.
Yep. Once you double click on that, it opens up what's called your connection manager. As you can see, you have 4 or 5 different options here that you can go into, one being the internet connection, your messages, contacts, your account, and your usage.
Okay. Oh, so the usage I can actually see if I'm in a particular plan, a data plan, I can see exactly how much I've used at any given time in the month. Okay,
yep.
Which is good.
Monitor what you're actually using.
Right.
I'm going to go into the internet connection right now.
Okay, which is the top icon there. Okay.
Yep.
Click on there.
And it just brings up a simple to use screen. Again, you just click on the green arrows to connect.
Okay.
It shows you your status.
Okay.
And you'll see quickly, there you go, it's connected.
Okay.
So now you can minimize this and you're ready to go onto the internet. So I'm just going to open up my Internet Explorer.
And I can basically, this Rocket Stick works whether it's at, I don't know, I'm on the road, I'm even in rural country, as long as there's 3G network coverage.
It works as long as there's a network coverage. Your fastest speeds are going to be on the 3G network.
Okay.
But keep in mind, there's no roaming or anything or long distance on it. So you can use it anywhere across Canada.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Which is ideal.
Okay, so you're on Google now, so show me a typical search. Let me see how fast this thing is.
So if we go to... Oops.
Okay, so it's pretty fast. Okay. So you're going to show me a video here to show me how that it's not going to take forever to buffer and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, I'm just going to play one of the videos that we have for a sister product to the Rocket Stick, which is the Rocket Hub.
Okay. Right, which we did together.
Yes.
And that says
an
error on YouTube's side of things, hopefully.
Yes. So we'll go to the BlackBerry one.
Okay.
Today we're going to talk
Okay, so right away.
BlackBerry 9300, also known as a BlackBerry Curve.
As you can see, there's no delays or pause in the loading of the video. It's pretty seamless.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so the Rocket Stick, I mean, ideal for whether you're mobile sales, you want access to internet outside of your, out of a Wi-Fi area. So like a lot of people use Wi-Fi, say in school or at their workplace, but then they step outside of that Wi-Fi area. They can just stick in their Rocket Stick. Nice thing about it too, from my understanding, is you can take the Rocket Stick, I could put it into a friend's computer, a coworker's computer. They're going to, of course, use my data plan, but
correct. They will use your internet
can interchangeably
plan.
go from one computer to the next, yeah.
But they're just, every time you plug it into a computer, for the first time, whether it be your personal computer, your work computer, your friend's computer, so on, it will require you to do the setup to install the drivers.
Right.
And once that's in, it's ready to go. So
Okay.
it is mobile from computer to computer. It's not confined to just one computer.
Looks almost like it could act as a storage device for data as well. Is there a capability of putting a data card in that?
Yes, there's a media card spot right here on the side.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to pull it out and interrupt our internet connection here, but it just opens up and you just slide it in like you would for like a camera or a phone or anything like that.
Okay, which is nice. So if I want to store Word documents, graphic files, I can basically I could put in like an 8 gigabyte storage card into that thing, and I'm good to go. And I've got high speed internet and a storage device built into one easy to use unit.
Correct.
Okay, I mean that's it on a stick. I mean everything's bundled all in together. It sounds like a good thing. Yeah, so perfect for mobile sales teams, for people that want internet on the go.
Absolutely.
Great. I think you've answered all my questions today, Stacey. Appreciate it.
Good.
We'll chat again.